Listen up, you aspiring chefs. We're about to unlock the secrets of flavor. Forget mediocre meals. It's time to elevate your cooking to an art form. Get ready for food so delicious it'll blow your mind. We're going to dive deep into the science behind amazing food. Get ready to impress yourself and your dinner guests. Forget bland and boring. We're about to unleash a flavor explosion. Together we'll transform your dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. We'll master the techniques that will make your taste buds sing. Get your aprons ready. It's time to cook up some culinary masterpieces. Let's get cooking. Creating amazing flavors is not about luck. It's about understanding the science behind it. Think of it like an equation. Every ingredient plays a crucial role. Mastering flavor is about understanding these key elements: taste, aroma, texture, temperature, and even sound. Taste is the most obvious element. It's how our taste buds perceive sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Aroma is just as important. It's how our sense of smell influences what we taste. Texture adds another layer of complexity. It's about the feel of food in our mouths, crunchy, creamy, or chewy. Temperature affects how flavors are released and perceived. Even sound plays a role. Think about the satisfying crunch of a crisp apple. Each element contributes to the overall dining experience. Understand these elements, and you'll be well on your way to creating culinary magic. Let's break down the 5 basic tastes. Sweetness comes from sugars. Think of ripe fruits, honey, or desserts. Sourness comes from acids like lemon juice or vinegar. It adds a refreshing tang. Saltiness is essential for balancing flavors and enhancing sweetness. Bitterness can be found in coffee, dark chocolate, and some vegetables. Use it sparingly to add complexity. Umami, often called the savory taste, comes from ingredients like mushrooms, tomatoes, and cheese. It adds a deep, satisfying flavor. Each taste plays a vital role in creating balanced and delicious dishes. Understanding these tastes allows you to adjust and layer flavors like a pro. Remember, the key is balance. Too much of one taste can overpower the others. Never underestimate the power of aroma. It plays a huge role in how we experience food. When you smell something delicious, it triggers your salivary glands. This prepares your mouth for a flavor explosion. To enhance aromas in your dishes, use fresh herbs and spices. Add them at the end of cooking to preserve their fragrance. Toasting spices also intensifies their aromas. Try dry roasting whole spices before grinding them. Another technique is to use aromatic vegetables like onions, garlic, and celery as a base for your dishes. Their fragrances will infuse the entire dish. Remember, the aroma is the first impression of your food. Make it count. Section 5. Texture talk, tickling your taste buds. Texture is often overlooked, but it's crucial for a satisfying dining experience. A dish can be flavorful but lackluster without the right texture. Think about the contrast between a creamy risotto and a crunchy salad. To create interesting textures, experiment with different cooking methods. Roasting brings out a crispy exterior. Braising creates melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Grilling adds smoky char and appealing grill marks. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures within a dish. Pair something crunchy with something creamy. Add a sprinkle of toasted nuts for extra crunch. The possibilities are endless. Remember, texture adds another dimension of enjoyment to your meals. Section 6. The art of flavor pairing, creating culinary symphonies. Now for the fun part, flavor pairing. Certain ingredients just naturally complement each other. Why? Because they share similar chemical compounds that create harmonious flavors. One classic example is tomatoes and basil. They both contain a compound called linalool, which gives them a fresh, slightly sweet aroma. Another perfect pairing is chocolate and coffee. They share over 100 aroma compounds, creating a rich and indulgent flavor combination. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new combinations. Use your knowledge of the 5 tastes and aroma profiles to guide you. You might discover your own signature flavor pairings. Section 7. Temperature play, hot and cold sensations. Temperature plays a crucial role in how we perceive flavors. Heat amplifies sweetness and spiciness. That's why a hot chili can be intensely flavorful. Cold temperatures, on the other hand, can numb our taste buds. That's why ice cream is often very sweet. Use temperature contrasts to create exciting dining experiences. Serve a hot soup with a dollop of cold crème fraîche. Pair a grilled steak with a refreshing salad. The contrast in temperatures will make the flavors pop. Remember to consider the temperature of your plates too. Warm plates for hot food, cold plates for cold food. It makes a difference. Temperature is a powerful tool. Use it wisely to enhance your culinary creations. Section 8. Pro-level flavor hacks. Elevate your cooking game. Now for some pro tips to take your cooking to the next level. First up, always taste as you go. This is crucial for adjusting seasonings and balancing flavors. Don't be afraid to add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon juice, or a touch of honey to bring out the best in your dishes. Second, learn the art of deglazing. After searing meat, deglaze the pan with wine, stock, or even water. This lifts up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pan, creating a delicious sauce. Finally, remember that presentation matters. A beautifully plated dish is more appetizing. Take the time to arrange your food thoughtfully. Add a sprig of fresh herbs or a drizzle of sauce for a finishing touch. Section 9. Experiment and enjoy. Unleash your inner chef. The most important tip of all is to have fun and experiment. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients, techniques, and flavor combinations. Cooking is a journey of discovery. Embrace the process and enjoy the delicious results. So there you have it. The secrets to unlocking amazing flavors are in your hands. Now go forth and create culinary magic. Impress yourself, wow your friends and family, and most importantly, enjoy the delicious journey. Happy cooking!